Hi, and welcome to Project and Things. My name's Yves. In this episode, we're going to make a metal hand, like a metal sign of the horns hand that holds a guitar. Using a lot of stuff from my scrap bucket. The point is to take a bunch of this old rebar that I reclaimed when the old workshop was trashed and turn it into like a metal-y hand that comes out of the wall that's going to hold the neck of a guitar. These look like fingers to me, so I'm gonna try and cut them and shape them and mold them and weld them together and hopefully do something with it. In this project, I'm going to collaborate with Christophe, the guy who makes some of the music that you hear on this channel. We're going to try and come up with something together. The idea is that while I make a metal hand out of metal, that he constructs a song to go with it. And hopefully the two processes will mesh together. But first, let's figure out what I'm going to use out of my little scrap pile.
Machine. En dan naar de Easy Drummer one mixer preset. Klikkedy klik. Bam! All the metal.
Okay, so far some of the digits are made and welded on, but I realized I started welding on a bunch of rusted material, which is pretty bad. The welds don't work that well, things spatter. It's not good. Pretty sure some of you have been screaming at the screen to go like, don't weld on rusty stuff. So we're gonna solve that problem. And we're gonna solve that problem using vinegar. Good old Blue Hand vinegar. No idea why they call it Blue Hand. And now I'm going to leave all the metal drowning in vinegar until the rust comes off, and then we'll continue with the rest of the project. Voila. That is as clean as vinegar can get it. So now I continue with the next steps of welding more parts on and cleaning thumbs off. I just gave it a thumb as well, so now my hand is close to doing this. I'm going to now use up some scrap pieces that I had left, a lot of these little triangles that came out of building my sauna shower, and try and cover up the holes and fill the structure out a bit more so it looks more like an actual hand. So my little metal hand looks enough like a hand in my opinion now. So now it's time to take out the grinding wheel and shape this to look a little more organic and a little less bulky and full of incredibly bad welding. And now that the shaping is done, I'm going to go over it with a round over bit so it matches this round over side on all sides. I ended up routing out a pocket here on the back. What this should do is allow me to mount the hand on the front, and the back should give me a place to put the nut. Yeah, it's called nut. To put the nut and then just tighten the nut as much as possible. Voila, there we go. My metal hand is done. I'm very happy with it. Now I'm gonna go over to Christophe's house and hang it up, and you will hear what the final song sounds like. It sounds a bit like this.